Today we're going to make some cheese boards out of stone. This video is sponsored by Audible, which is my favorite place for audio content. I had some 12-inch by 24-inch slate tiles from Home Depot, and I just used a piece of chalk to draw out a design. I used my Ryobi tile saw to cut along the lines. Now the nice thing about this saw is that it has a water reservoir on it, which keeps the dust down. Now I want to make a collection of faceted geometric cheese boards, and I sort of want them to look like they could fit together. So I used the facets on the first piece that I cut to mark out the lines for the second one. I used my angle grinder with an 80 grit flat disc to round over the edges of the stone. Now you may have noticed that I have headphones in, and that's because I'm listening to audiobooks while I work. In addition to being a sponsor for this video, Audible is my favorite place to get audiobooks. They have a massive library of audio content, including the book I'm currently listening to, which is Tribe by Sebastian Unger. This book really resonated with me, and it really reinforced a lot of the ideas and motivations that led me to leave architecture and technology and choose to sort of work with my hands. Get a free 30-day trial today by signing up at audible.com/homemademodern, or just click on the link in the description box below. I wanted these pieces of stone to have a food-grade finish, so I used some cutting board conditioner that's made out of mineral oil and beeswax. Now there are some other ways to cut stone tile. I've used a circular saw before with a special diamond blade. This works well, but it does create a lot of dust since there is no water reservoir. A tabletop tile saw also works well and is probably the best choice if you want to make square right angle cuts. I only needed about $6 worth of tile to make this set of cheese boards, and I'm really happy with how they look. I also like that I can just throw them into the dishwasher to clean them, although every once in a while I do have to put on another coat of the cutting board conditioner. For more detailed instructions, check out my website, and if you want to see what I'm working on next, be sure to follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thanks, bye.